Ilan pong grupo ho ng mga negosyante na humihiling sa gobyerno na mabilisan o madaliin yun pong pagsasampa ng kaso laban daw po dun sa mga sangkot, sa mga anomalya. May update po dyan si Bombo Jovino Galang.
Patuloy ang panawagan ng grupo ng mga negosyante sa gobyerno na dapat ay mabilis na aksyon laban sa mga sangkot sa korupsyon. Ayon kay Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry President Yunina Mangio, na naipasa na nila ang kanilang petisyon na nanghihikayat kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na huwag hayaan na mamayagpag ang korupsyon sa bansa.
This is actually calling the attention of our President to really address our concern as far as the corruption that were unearthed, that were discovered is concerned. Because we feel that the people, we want to make sure that before an aggressive action would take place, PCCI would, or these organizations will be able to convince our president to take action, decisive action, to address this corruption problem.
Mahalaga din anya na magpakita ang gobyerno na may napaparusahan ng mga opisyal na sangkot sa korupsyon dahil makakatulong ito sa mga investors na huwag matakot na maglagat ng kanilang negosyo sa bansa.
We feel that we need more and we need decisive actions and decisions. We don't want cover-ups. We don't want railroading. We want really those responsible to be punished and to be identified. And the only person that can really do that by appointing those that are really into it and in addressing it is our president.
Ako si Bombo Jovino Galang and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.